Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to remove iOS 18 beta from iPhone. So guys, if you're using iPhone or iPad or other iOS device and try to remove iOS 18 public beta or try to remove your iOS 18 developer beta, I'll help you how can you do this. So guys, you can easily remove your beta versions. So guys, there are two ways to remove your beta version. First one is from your iPhone and second from laptop or PC. So guys, in this video I will tell you both of these ways. So first of all, you need to open your settings, make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and after this you need to go back. So guys, now I'll show you that I am using iOS 18 beta version. So guys, I'll show you. As you can see, from here you need to click on software update, and from here you will see that iOS 18.0. So guys, easily you can remove this. First of all, you need to open your Safari. So guys, after this, here you need to search betaprofiles.dev, and now you need to wait for some seconds. Scroll it below. From here you need to click on developer, and you will see here is the option of iOS 17 beta. Click on here the option of install profile, click on install, and guys, you can easily install, you will easily install your 17 profile from here. And guys, the second way to install iOS 18 iOS 17, open your settings, click on general and click on software update, and guys, after this you need to click on here the option of beta updates. Click on it and you have to turn it off, and after this you need to go back. And guys, after turning off, here you will see a new update, that is iOS 17.6, and guys, you can easily install this. And guys, the another way to downgrade your version is you have to connect your device with 3U tool in laptop or PC, and after this you can easily remove your iOS 18 and you can easily install iOS 16 or 17 from your laptop or PC in 3U tools. So guys, this is the way to downgrade your version. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.